welcome back again in Sheryl's Belgium channel. So today guys, it's already Wednesday. So I just worked 3 hours today and I just finished taking a shower and our hair is still wet and still tan. So after my work today guys, I went to the secondhand shop. It's a clothing shop and I was tempted to buy a summer dress and I will show you. So the secondhand shop here in Belgium, they are cheap and also it is second hand, but sometimes you can find clothing that still has the ticket, like it's not used yet, or even though it is used but still not overused, so still good to buy because it's cheaper and it's still nice, actually still very nice. So I will show you later and we will try it also. But before that, I want to show you guys what I bought in Maas Mechelen. It's an outlet that is 1.5 hours from our home, going there I think. So it's an outlet for all the different kinds of brands. So I went there with my friend and hubby also. So Maas Mechelen guys is 1.5 hours I think from our home, going there. It's an outlet and you can see different kinds of branded clothing, shoes, bags, watches, jewelry like Swarovski and many more. So we don't visit all the shop because we want to come back home before night. Actually they are open there from 10 to I think 6 o'clock in the evening, I'm not very sure. And I want to show you what I bought there. So I bought this for hubby because he likes the textile like this, thin, because it's summer and it's really warm. So he likes it and he likes color blue. So I bought this in the Nike shop, and as well as this one. It's a Levi's. So the Levi's were also massive sale. They are on clearance sale, but I cannot buy because the jeans, they were so big. They're so big, as in I cannot, long and big, so not for me. So I just bought a shirt for hubby. Actually in Maas Mechelen, it's an outlet that a lot of travelers, when they visited Belgium, that's one of the touristic area also. Before pandemic, as you all knew, that Chinese people, they likes to travel. So there you can see them buying different kinds of brands of bags, shoes. But after the pandemic, I think I saw Chinese, but they are locals, that they are living already around here in Europe. But those who are just coming here for holidays, I don't really see. After pandemic, that's 3 years. So this year is already 3 years. So what I bought in DuneLondon, they have actually their bag, shoes, sandals, flats, heels. But I bought flat shoes and flip-flops. Actually, I'm not so tall, but I like flats. I like to wear flats, especially if I like the brands or it fits me well. So I will show you what I bought in DuneLondon. So this one, I am size 37 and it's on sale, guys. I'm size 37. This is what I bought there. You saw it in the first video that I tried to fit with my friend. So I bought this one. And actually, the price of this was 87 euro, but it became 37 minus 40% off. So I bought this for only 22.50 euro. Not bad anymore. It's so cute. And the ornaments here, they are really nice. Newbies fabric upper, man-made outsole, synthetic lining. Made in Bangladesh. Wow. It's very cute. Look. Ay, biga. So I bought flat slipper, flip-flop, and also this one. This one, the outlet price was 74 euro and the outlet price is 37 minus 40% off, so the same, 22.50 euro. So it's very cheap. I like to buy branded stuff, but I see to it, guys, that I'm not going to waste money because normally branded stuff, they are very expensive for me, and I always bought it on sale if I like to buy something. And this one, and if I need it also. So this one is also a flat here, and look, it's very cute with a style, ribbon style, like that. So not bad anymore, 22 and 50. That's a big difference from 74. I will try this also later. Wait for a moment. I'm going to try this one, but later. And this is what I bought, guys. Look. It's Zara. I like the textile. The textile is cotton and very cold in the skin. I will fit this in a while. I also bought this one. It's a sleepwear. It's a Disney. This one. I will fit in here. And look at this, guys. Look. This is also from Zara. And it's not used. You see? You see? It's 39.95 euro, but I bought this for only 6 euro. This is the style, and I really like the color as well. So let's fit in. So cute, diba, guys? So cute. I like flats. And the color, I like the color as well. Let's try this with this one. It's also beautiful. Very comfortable. And let's try the other one. This one also is from Zara, guys. Look. It's beautiful. I really like it. The color is amazing. You see the style. I will try also with this. Look, so cute. That's what I'm saying to you guys. This one still have the tag, so it's not used yet. So cute. Cute, diba? Oh, here, look. So cute. Let's try with it. Cute. Look, guys. Still have the tag. See? And the textile. I love it. And the other one, the sleepwear. It's also new, this one, guys. It's nice.